All right, here we go. We got this times this. So negative 6 times 3.
Negative 18?
Yeah. Negative 18. Here comes the hard part. A to the 4th times A to the 5th.
A to the 4th times A to the 5th.
Yep.
A to the 9th.
That's it. So we're just adding the exponents, right?
Yes.
So then B times B.
B squared.
There it is. Okay, we're going to do the same thing, except to this guy. Okay, negative times a negative is a...
Positive.
Okay, and 6 times 5,
30.
and A4 and A,
A to the 5th.
boom,
B to
and B times B to the 6th.
B to the 7th.
Done, son. Alright, but what polynomial is this? I want to take it up a notch. What's the degree of the polynomial? So this is 11, right? Right? Because when we're multiplying, we got to add those exponents. Just for the degree, that's all. We're not saying it's an AB, you know, to the 11th. Be like all crazy, like, you know, we got to flow like this. It's going to come at me like a parasite. I don't know, whatever. So, all right, so we come back at it. What's the other one?
12.
12. Which one's higher?
12.
12. So that would go first. So 30, A to the 5th, B to the 7th. That goes first because it's higher. And then minus 18, A to the 9th, B to the 2nd. And then tell me what it is. What degree of the polynomial is this?
12th degree.
Yes. So it's a 12th degree. What type of poly?
Binomial.
Yes. Binomial. Okay? Huge. This is on the ACT. This is on the SBAC. This is on every test you'll ever take. Easy. It's easy if you know what to do. Okay? Alright, this one. Back to grouping. All I'm doing is this. Upside down division. What goes in both of these?
2.
2. And what else?
X.
X how many?
Squared.
Good. Okay, so how many is 2 going to 4?
Twice.
And 2 from 3? 2 from 3?
What?
1, right?
No.
2 from 3? 1?
No.
And then how many of these? 1. Okay? What goes into 6 and 3? 3?
Negative 3.
How many times? Twice? Once? Right? So we didn't have to do a negative this time because it's the same. Does that make sense?
Really sloppy.
Okay? Alright, and then, so that's 2x squared times 2x minus 1 plus 2x minus 1 times 3. So what are we going to pull out?
2x minus 1.
2x minus 1. Right? And what's left? 2x squared plus 3. Right? So those are your factors. 2x minus 1 and 2x squared plus 3. So if it asks you for a factor, those are one of them. And I think neither of those are there, right?
Yeah.
So then you would answer E. Okay? And anytime I have multiple choice, there could be 2 answers, there could be 2, there could be 1, or there could be none, or maybe have 2, 1, or none. Instead of being all confusing, like yes or no. Right? Mr. Anchetta? Okay. What now?
13.
Yes. The best way to deal with this one is to cancel things out. Does 2 go into 8
Yes.
4 times?
Yes.
Does 4 go into 4?
Yeah.
Okay, so what am I left with? I'm left with the 6, right? Did I miss a number?
Yeah.
Which one?
Damn.
I'm just checking.
I lied.
Okay. Alright. Then what is A5, A7? Isn't that A to the 12th? B and B. B squared, right? What's A2, A9? That's A to the 11. A to the 5th is 16. Okay, what's B3, 5, and 7? Right? So 3 plus 2 plus 2 is 7, right?
I feel like we're playing bingo.
Then what? 12 from 16 leaves me how much?
4.
4. 2 from 7? 5. There you are. Is that a polynomial?
So, mono.
Is it?
No.
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 Can't have a negative exponent as a polynomial. So it's not a poly.
Not.
There you go.